conversions. Objective: to design and implement 4-bit binary to gray code converter, gray to binary code converter. Theory: code is a symbolic representation of discrete informations. Codes are of different types. Gray code is one of the most important codes. It is a non-weighted code which belongs to a class of codes called minimum change codes. In this code, while traversing from one step to another step, only one bit in the code group changes. In case of gray codes, two adjacent code numbers differ from each other by only one bit. As this code, it is not applicable in any types of arithmetical operation, but it has some applications in analog to digital converters and in some input-output devices. Binary to gray code conversion. Binary to gray code conversion is a very simple process. There are several steps to do this type of conversions. Steps given below elaborate on the idea of this type of conversions. The MSB of the gray code will be exactly equal to the first bit of the given binary number. Now the second bit of the code will be exclusive or of the first and second bit of the given binary number. If both the bits are the same, the result will be 0, and if they are different, the result will be 1. The third bit of gray code will be equal to the exclusive or of the second and third bit of the given binary number. Thus the binary to gray code conversion goes on. Input and output variables. Input variables are B3, B2, B1 and B0. Output variables are G3, G2, G1 and G0. This is the logic diagram of the gray code. This is the truth table. This is the Boolean expression and this is the circuit design. Now I'll be showing you the simulation of this gray code conversion. Simulation of binary to gray code. When all the inputs are 0, then all the outputs are 0. When all the inputs are 0 except B0, then the outputs are all 0 except G0. When B1 is 1 and the remaining outputs are 0, then the outputs G1 and G0 are 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When B1 and B0 are 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then the output G1 is 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When B2 is 1 and the remaining outputs are 0, then G2 and G1 are 1 and G3 and G0 are 0. When B2 and B1 are 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then G0 and G2 are 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When B3 is 1 and the remaining outputs are 0, then G3 and G2 are 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When B3 and B1 are 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then all the outputs are 0. When B3, B1 and B0 are 1 and B2 is 0, then all the outputs are 1 except G0. When B3 and B2 are 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then G3 and G1 are 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When B3, B2 and B0 are 1, then all the outputs are 1 except G2. When B3, B2, B1 are 1 and B0 is 0, then G3 and G0 are 1. When all the inputs are 1, then all the outputs are 0 except G3. Gray code to binary converter. Gray code to binary conversion. Gray code to binary conversion is again very simple and easy process. Following steps can make your idea clear on this type of conversions. The MSB or the most significant bit of the binary number will be equal to the most significant bit of the given gray code. Now if the second gray bit is 0 and the second binary bit will be the same as the previous or the first bit. If the gray bit is 1, the second binary bit will alter. If it was 1, it will be 0, and if it was 0, it will be 1. This step is continued for all the bits to do. Gray code to binary conversion. Input output variables. Input variables are G3, G2, G1 and G0. Output variables are B3, B2, B1 and B0. This is the combinational design procedure. And this is the truth table for the gray code to binary code. This is the Boolean expression and this is the circuit design. Now I'll be showing the simulation of the gray code to binary code conversion. Gray code to binary code. When all the inputs are 0, then all the outputs are 0. When all the inputs except G0 are 0, then the outputs B0 is 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When G1 is 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then B1 and B0 are 1. When G1 and G0 are 1, then all the outputs are 0 except B1. When G2 is 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then all the outputs are 1 except B3. When G2 and G1 are 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then B2 is 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When G2, G1 and G0 are 1 and G3 is 0, then B2 and B0 are 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When G3 is 1 and the remaining outputs are 0, then all the outputs are 1. When G3 and G0 are 1 and all the inputs are 0, remaining inputs are 0, then all the outputs are 1 except B0. When G3 and G1 are 1, then B3 and B2 are 1 and the remaining outputs are 0. When G3, G1 and G0 are 1 and G2 0, then all the outputs are 1 except B1. When G3 and G1 are 1 and the remaining inputs are 0, then all the outputs are 0 except B3. When G3, G2 and G0 are 1, then the outputs B3 and B0 are 1 and B2 and B1 are 0. When G3, G2 and G1 are 1 and G0 is 0, then all the outputs are 1 except B2. When all the inputs are 1, then B3 and B1 are 1 and B2 and B0 are 0.